Hello, Chris here of chrisbreaks.com. I have a question for you. Have you ever put out a post or ever tried doing a blog, but what stops you is creating a headline that attracts people to your blog post, your video, your Facebook Live? Yes, and I bet it helped you better. Hello, Chris here of chrisbreaks.com. I will ask you a question. Have you ever been stopped or have you ever... Hello, Chris here of chrisbreaks.com from sunny Wales today. I will ask you a question. Have you ever struggled to creating a headline for your blog post, your video, your Facebook post, your Twitter post, anything that you want to put content out and it stops you from putting a post out? Yes, I'm sharing you 3 to 4 tips of where you can get captive. Hello, Chris here of chrisbreaks.com from sunny home in Wales. I will ask you a question. Have you ever struggled or ever made you stuck in getting... Hello, Chris here of chrisbreaks.com from sunny Wales in my home. I'll ask you a question. Have you ever struggled or have you ever been stuck in creating headlines for your videos, your blog posts, sending emails, or marketing product? And I'll share now 3 to 4 tips on where you can capture headlines that attract people to your content. Okay, before I move on now, if you want to subscribe to and be updated with all the videos I put out, please press subscribe. And if you do like the video, leave a comment and I'll happily reply to you. Okay, right then, let's talk into the content. You're about to do a blog post or a video, and you got in your mind now, I want to talk about marketing, but what is the first thing you think of? What are people looking for, or what headline can I put out? And it takes you ages to do the headline because you're overthinking it. These tips will help you nail it in a minute or so. Okay, what I'll do now, I'm sharing you a few tips of where you can get the content and headlines from to get people look at your stuff. Right, first of all, okay, I'm sharing my screen here. I put in how to build a business online. If you look down, it says a volume, how much is searched each month, 720, okay, and competition, and then here on the right hand side, it shows you all the other searches people are looking for and headlines they are. Now, if this app is brilliant and it's free, okay, it's called Keywords Everywhere. So it is, you open Google Chrome, you download it, and it goes into your search bar on the top there. Every time you put the headline in, it gives you other ones. Look how many things are here now, okay? And if, for example, now you want to click on that one, okay, you've got clothes, click on that one, top 10 online businesses, okay, it will save then to your keyword search. So I'll go there now, okay, should show up maybe my favorite keywords, okay, and all the things I've looked for, my headlines for attraction marketing, okay, and all the headlines are there. You'll never be stuck on where to search for headlines. Okay, so whatever you put in, if I put it in out here, let me show you live now. Marketing business, okay, to put in quick now, that. Look, comes up now. Many people search it, 18,100 people volume per month, and it brings up ideas then for content you can have for your blog post that people are looking for keywords. What I recommend, okay, don't try and go for the biggest keywords. Try and go for between 500 and 1,000 to get more eyeballs on your stuff. You are competing against a big brand at the moment. The more you pull out of, more content you put out, more when you get ranked up. Okay, that's one way you do it, and it's Keywords Everywhere tool. You can download free on your Google Chrome. Next one, okay, is YouTube. Right, for example, now this is my channel. When you put in a YouTube how to build a business and then move on, okay, it comes up now with the top searches already people are looking for. Okay, how to build a business network, how to build a business website, how to build business relationships is key, and how to build a business on Instagram, and be one then how to build business on, so look at Facebook page. Okay, these are great headlines because how-to videos are people looking for. Just think about it now. How many times you've gone to Google or YouTube, put in how to build business online, or how to run faster, how to build DIY cupboard. Everything's online, okay? A second one, and this then is one of the third ones, okay? You use, you type in Google title generator. I've done that already now, okay? I'm here, put in how to build business online, create titles, okay? What it does then, got 700 headlines already, titles and content ideas. We've got it easier now. Yeah? All these ideas where you can use and put them on your videos, your blog posts, your content on Facebook, Twitter, whatever marketing you're using. These will attract people to you because people are looking for these headlines already. Okay? Another one you can use now, okay, are 3 ways. Second one, okay, go to now people, if you're in an online business or marketing, okay, put in, right, done, okay, search, he's one of the top ones, okay, go to his blog posts, alright, and if you go just to now, put in Facebook, and these look, these headlines are already up there for you, so you can leverage other people's headlines and create content in your own words. Don't copy paste, because Google will know that, and then they cause a spam and they won't send traffic to you. So look at this now, all these headlines here are ready for people using. So you got to try and open your mind and think, what can I use and what can I leverage? Okay, because people are already looking for this stuff. People have already done this stuff. So just use some of their ways and put it into your own words, like headlines. Okay, so it's 4 little tips now where you can use headlines to get people to your own products, your own videos, etc. Because you think it now, headlines attract people. How many times have you gone into a shop, you walk past magazines or paper, you just turned your head and seen a big headline, and automatically you're attracted to that headline? Yeah, we all do it. And sometimes we buy the paper or buy magazine, or we look online all because of the headline. That's what people are looking for, and they will look for your stuff as well. Believe me, it does work. It will take time, it won't come overnight, but the more you do this research, the better it be to get eyeballs on your content. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, or if you want to share any more tips, please put in the comments below, and also subscribe to the channel, and also look down in the description. I got other resources for you. Okay, so hope you have a good weekend. Till then, have a Sunday, take care.